It is the first part of March, and I need to get some seedlings going for my patio garden. And I don't have any pots. I don't want to buy pots, so I'm going to make some like this out of newspaper. They measure 2 3/4 inches across each side, and they are 3 inches deep. Anyway, for this, you're going to need newspaper, just the standard newspaper. You can really make them with any size paper you want. It won't make the exact same size dimension pot, but it'll still work either way. So I've got the newspaper. It's just one sheet, cut down the middle, whatever. I'm going to take this, I'm going to fold it in half and bring the top and the bottom even with each other. And you will notice when you start doing this that there are other folds in the newspaper that do not line up, and sometimes they will fight you, but just work with it. Then I'm going to turn it and fold it in half again, just like so. And I'm going to open that up, and there is a line here, that center fold, and I don't know how well you can see it, so I'm going to mark it for you. There's a center line right there. You're going to take where it's folded here, and it is loose up here. You're going to take this and you're going to fold this point right here to the center up here and line it up right against that fold line. And you're going to do the same thing with the other point, just like that. And then you're going to take this top right here, you're going to fold this edge right here to where this edge of the paper is here. I'm just going to fold it over, and you don't have to be real precise with these folds, and then fold this up like that. And then you're going to flip it over, and again I will mark the center line here so you can see it approximately right there. You're going to take this edge right here and fold it to that center. Just like that. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Like that. So it looks like so. And then again, you're going to take this edge here, fold it up to this edge there. Just like that. And do it again. Like so. And then you'll have this little flap here. You want to take this flap and you want to tuck it into that little pocket right there. And this might take a little coercing to get it in there, but it usually just slides right in. Get in there nice and... There's 2 little interior flaps in there that it goes behind, so you need to get it behind that. Anyway, just get it in like that. Give it a nice press so it's flat. Take this point here, fold it up against this line here, turn it over, do the same thing like that, and then take this point and bring it to that point right there. And you only need to fold this little flap right there. So that way, when you open this up now, just like that, where that fold is, it'll naturally want to go down. And just put your fingers in there and firm up the folds a little bit. Pinch the corners. And there is your little pot, newspaper pot. And then when you go ahead and plant your seedlings, or plant your seeds and they grow up and you need to transplant them outside, just go ahead and put this whole thing outside in the ground or in your container, whatever you're going to plant in. But there you go, that is how you make a newspaper pot. Hope you guys enjoy, and thanks so much for watching.